This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to cancel your Letterboxd plan. So, how to cancel your Letterboxd subscription. I'm here on the main page on desktop, letterboxd.com. First thing you need to do is find your profile. You're going to hover over the image of yourself at the top and your username. We click on profile. So from here, you'll be on your main profile. You're going to click on edit profile. Now you're in the main settings of your main account settings, as you can see here, and we see at the top it will say that what your paid plan level is. So it says thanks, you are Patron. So there's two different membership tiers currently with Letterboxd. There's Pro, and then there's Patron, which is the highest current membership tier. So what we'll do is we'll click manage subscriptions. You can see here what your active subscription is. Again, it's Patron. I paid with Paddle. We can see when it auto renews. We just click here for manage subscriptions now, and we've got the full details here, order reference, when it's renewing. You can change your payment method here. I'm paying with PayPal currently. You can see transactions, etc., etc. It's set to auto renew, but if you want to cancel, just hover over this cancel button here. It lights up in red, and you will click that, follow the instructions. I'm not going to cancel right here as I am a proud Letterboxd member, but you will click cancel and that will cancel your plan. So hopefully you found this video on how to cancel your Letterboxd membership, your Letterboxd plan useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.